Hi there everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change font style to a new one and get back to the default font style on Windows 10 operating system. So first of all, we're going to do all this thing by using the Registry editor. So first of all, you need to use a code that has been given in the description. Copy the first code from the description, right click on your desktop, go to the new, select the text document, open this text document, paste the code. We need to make some changes over here. It says the enter new font name. So in order to get the font name, I'm gonna minimize this window. Go ahead and open your start menu, go to the settings, click on the personalization from here, click on this fonts option. Choose any of this font that you like. So what I need to do, I just need to remember the font name. Close the window, open your text document again, paste the name over here. So just make sure that you have entered the correct font style name. Go ahead and click on this option, file, and then go all the way to the save as. You have to select the location and I'm gonna rename it. Make sure that you are giving the .rez at the end of the name. Select save as type, click on save. Go ahead and close the window from here. When Registry editor file has been created on the desktop, go ahead and double click over here. Go ahead and click on yes and then click on OK, and after that you just go ahead and restart your computer. So here, as you can see, the font style has been changed. This is how you actually can change font style on your Windows 10 computer. And now I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to get back to the default font style on your Windows 10 operating system. So to do that, you just go ahead and copy the second code that I have been given in the description. So after that, you just get back to your desktop, right click over here, go to the new, select the text document, open the text document, paste the code over here. You don't need to change anything from here, you just keep it default. Go ahead and click on file option and then come to the save as option, select the location, rename over here, and after that .rez, go ahead and select save as type, go ahead and click on save, close the window from here. REZ file has been created over here, so just go ahead and double click over here, click on yes, click on OK, and after that you just go ahead and restart your computer again. So after restarting the computer, here as you can see, the font style has been get back to the default one. So guys, this is how we actually can easily change your font style and get back to the default font style on your Windows 10 operating system. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video, and thank you very much for watching.